It's a mess. It's been in storage for years, decades. I've had a quick look at the decals. They're wonderful. They're really quite good for the age of the machine. There is some crazing on top of the machine. But anyway, so I'm just putting this out here as the start of my little got a new sewing machine video. Jebb Adams sure is a happy apprentice restorer. My intention is always to have a little bit of fun and learn a whole lot. Or wait a second, maybe have a whole lot of fun and learn a little. Either way, I'll take it as long as it's good. The label has the name of a sewing machine store since 1901. In Buffalo, New York, on Genesee. So what an incredible surprise to, you know, drive all the way to Ottawa, because it's about almost a 3.5 hour drive to get to where I had to go, and pay 50 Canadian dollars, and a Canadian dollar is only worth 74 cents of a US dollar. So that machine that you're looking at, it cost me only 37 US dollars. This is the end of this little, hey, I got a really cool Singer 201-2, and they're really rare in Montreal, Canada. Really rare, I find. So yeah, here's the good news. So tune in. So if you haven't hit the notification bell yet, hit the notification bell, and then as I publish more videos about the 201 and other machines, you'll get a heads up on it. I'll be having some fun cleaning up the messy sewing machine controller and the sewing machine, getting some new wicks in it and getting some oil into it, and just you know, as restorers sometimes say, a day at the spa.